Hello guys, welcome to another session of learning with prep class. I am BC and I am a prep class tutor. It's always good to be here as your tutor. In this video, I'll be solving questions 46 to question 50 of the AKWA Vocational Studies Agricultural Science for the year 2016. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't, do so right now to get access to more videos like this. Thank you. The first question in this video is question 46. Necessary operation in maize cultivation are these except A. Weeding, B. Thinning, C. Nursery practices, D. Fertilizer application. Okay, so in maize cultivation, weeding is necessary. It's very important to remove unwanted plants from the field. Then thinning is also important in maize cultivation. It's important to remove excess plants to allow the growth of the other ones. Okay, so fertilizer application is also necessary in maize cultivation. It's important to apply fertilizers to aid the growth of the maize. But nursery practices is not a necessary operation in maize cultivation. Okay, nursery practices can be done, but it is not necessary. A nursery is a place where young plants are grown to a desired age before transplanting them to another field. Okay, so nursery practices is not a necessary operation in maize cultivation. Okay, so the correct option is C, nursery practices. Necessary operation in maize cultivation are weeding, thinning, and fertilizer application. But nursery practices is not a necessary operation in maize cultivation. So question 47. Rice blight is caused by dash. A. Bacteria, B. Nematode, C. Fungi, D. Virus. First of all, what is rice blight? Rice blight is a serious disease of rice caused by the bacterium Xanthomonas oryzae. So rice blight is caused by bacteria. So the correct option is option A. Check. Question 48. In animal husbandry, the act of giving birth generally refers to as dash. A. Weaning, B. Gestation, C. Parturition, D. Farrowing. So for us to be able to answer this question, we need to know the meaning of each of the following options. Okay, so what is weaning? Weaning is the process of gradually introducing an infant to food other than its mother's milk. So at some point in the infant's life, the infant has to be introduced to another kind of food. So it's no longer dependent on the mother's milk. So that process of gradually introducing an infant to another food is called weaning. Then gestation period is the time between conception and birth, during which the embryo or the fetus is developing in mammals. So this is the pregnancy period. Okay, parturition is defined as the process of giving birth. Then farrowing is a term that is specific to pigs. So it refers to the action of giving birth in pigs. Okay, but parturition is the general term for the process of giving birth. So the correct option is C, parturition. In animal husbandry, the act of giving birth generally refers to as parturition. Yes. Okay, so now let's move on to question 49. A plant that grows where it is not wanted is referred to as dash. A. Crop, B. Weed, C. Forage, D. Pasture. Okay, so weeds are unwanted plants. They are plants that grow where they are not wanted, such as in the field with the main crops. Okay, so these weeds compete with the main crop for water, food, sunlight, nutrients, and space. So they are unwanted plants. Okay, so a plant that grows where it is not wanted is referred to as weed. So the correct option is option B. Check. Now the final question in this video says the particles are coarse, grained, loose, with large pore spaces between the particles. The soil is called dash. A. Clay, B. Loamy, C. Sandy soil, D. Humus. Okay, so sandy soil is a type of soil with a high percentage of sand or large soil particles. The particles are coarse, grained, loose, with large pore spaces between the particles. Okay, so water travels through sandy soil very easily, so nutrients leak out quickly. So this soil is sandy soil. So sandy soil particles are coarse, grained, loose, with large pore spaces. It is made up of sand. Okay, so it has large pore spaces between the particles. So the correct option here is option C, sandy soil. Check. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. And you can also join us on WhatsApp by clicking on the link in the description below. Till I come your way next time. Bye.